All right, let's just jump right in. Take a look at this word on your screen. 22-dihydroergocalciferol. Whoa, that is a mouthful, right? It sounds super complicated, like something you'd see in a chemistry final. But what if I told you it's something you might actually find in your kitchen?
And yeah, that's its other name. If you thought the first one was a beast, this one's a whole other level of confusing. But don't worry, stick with me here. We are going to completely demystify this.
Because that's our game plan for today. We're going to break this down using really simple ideas. No dense scientific jargon, I promise. Just a straight-up, easy-to-get explanation.
So first things first, let's zoom way out. Before we can even get to our mystery molecule, we need to talk about what it actually does. And that means we have to talk about vitamins.
Okay, so picture your body as this giant, incredibly complex machine. Well, vitamins are like the tiny little helpers running around inside, making sure all the gears are oiled and the bolts are tight. They're absolutely crucial for keeping the whole thing running smoothly.
Right, so our mystery word is a vitamin. More specifically, it's a type of vitamin D. But here's a cool little fact. There isn't just one kind of vitamin D. Nope, it's actually a whole family of them.
Just look at this lineup. This is the vitamin D family. Now, you've probably heard of vitamin D2 and D3. They're kind of the famous ones. And our molecule? It fits right in there. It's vitamin D4. See? Just putting it in a group like this makes it seem way less intimidating, doesn't it?
Okay, so we've established it's a vitamin, and we know it's a card-carrying member of the vitamin D family. So I think it's time for the big reveal. What in the world is 22-dihydroergocalciferol?
And there you have it. That enormous, totally scary scientific name is really just the formal, fancy-pants title for something way simpler, vitamin D4. We've been talking about vitamin D4 this entire time.
Now that we know its real name, we have to ask, where does it come from? Because while other vitamin Ds are made in pretty well-known ways, D4 has a much more interesting origin story. It's got a secret ingredient, and it comes from a very cool place.
So what really makes D4 different from its brothers and sisters? It all comes down to the recipe. Most other vitamin Ds start out as a substance called ergosterol, but our friend vitamin D4 is special. It's made from a slightly different starter ingredient. It's kind of like baking, One cake uses white sugar, the other uses brown. A tiny change that makes a real difference.
And where can we find this unique little recipe in action? In mushrooms. That's right. Vitamin D4 isn't what you get from sunshine or fortified milk. Its natural home is inside certain kinds of fungi. It's the mushroom vitamin. How cool is that?
So we've cracked the code. We took a crazy name and found out it's just a special vitamin that comes from mushrooms. But so what? Why does this actually matter? Why do scientists even bother with all this stuff? Well, here's the big takeaway. Every single time we discover a new form of a vitamin, like D4, we get another piece of this giant puzzle called nutrition. It helps us understand how all kinds of different foods, even something as humble as a mushroom, can help keep us healthy in their own unique ways. It just expands what we know about the world and ourselves.
So the next time you see one of those long, intimidating scientific names on a label, don't sweat it. It might just be the secret identity for one of those tiny helpers hiding out in your food. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other amazing science is just waiting to be discovered on your dinner plate?